Hello mga idol, kumusta po kayo? Dahil po ay Sabado ngayon, marami po akong nilabang mga damit. Magsasampay na naman kami ni husband.
Daddy,
Yes.
look over there.
Not maybe. You've got no clothes up here.
Hmm. Look over here.
Ito po talagang aking husband, mga idol. Ay lagi po talagang tumutulong yan sa akin. At ngayon ay Sabado, sabi niya, kailangan na daw matapos lahat yung aming mga dapat gawin. Kasi bukas ay araw ng pahinga at linggo at magsisimba din po kami bukas.
Why are you shouting at the fish?
You like to eat the fish, right? Abraham? You like to eat the fish?
I want to watch the TV, Dad.
Okay.
Daddy, that one's the TV.
Do you?
Yeah. That one's the house. That one's TV over here.
Okay.
Tapos na po kami magsampay, guys. Ayun yung asawa ko. Say hi to the followers, love.
Okay.
Thank you for helping me, love.
Yes.
Magpo-fold muna kami dito sa taas, guys, ng mga nakuha naming sinampay ng mga tuyo na. Nilaban ko yung kanina. What can you see, Abraham? Abraham, what can you see? Did you see the fish there?
Yeah, did you like the fish? What colour is the fish? You know what colour they are? Go and have a look and tell me what colour the fish are. Come back and show me the colours.
Daddy, I don't
What color of the fish? Abraham?
want my
Abraham, what color of the fish?
orange.
Orange? How many fish is there?
How many fish is there?
You want to
wanna
count?
Okay. You count. You tell us how many there is. Count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's 9!
Are you sure it's 9?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
9! It's 9, Dad.
9 fish.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, tingnan natin yung mga isda dito, guys. Ayan po yung mga isda, guys. Oh.
The fish.
So, there's the fish here.
A big one and a
That's
little
the
one
big
and young one.
Ayan. Ang gaganda ng mga isda. Do not touch the fish, Abraham, ha?
On the cup of bubble.
What?
On the cup of bubble.
Wait, do not spit out there.
No, on the cup of bubble say poop.
Ah, you want bubble? Okay. Daddy is folding the clothes, oh. Nilaban ko to kaninang hapon, kaya kanina pa pala tong maga. Inuuna ko tong laban, kaya tuyo na siya. So, pupul lang natin.
Dad,
Daddy is folding the bedsheet.
Dad, Dad,
What?
Mom.
Yeah, wow.
This is a little bit damp, but it will dry by tomorrow. 12:30, love.
Sisimba muna kami, guys.
Hey, let's go, Mom.
Yes. Where are we going, Abraham?
Church.
Wow.
Boy, that's correct.
That's correct, Abraham. We're going to church.
Yeah. Yeah? Coming here.
At yan na nga po mga idol. Ayan, nasa jeep na po kami. Dahil nagko-commute lang po talaga kami kasi wala naman po kaming sasakyan. At yung asawa ko naman mga idol ay hindi naman maarte yan. Mas gustuin pa niyang sumakay ng jeep. Kasi mas mura pa daw ang pamasahe kaysa taxi.
Hello po.
Hello. Dito na po kami sa church, guys.
Hello, everybody. We just finished at Church of the Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints.
So, uwi na po kami, guys. Ah, si Dani ka, Ben. Si Dani ka. Hello, Abraham. Say hi,
You say
Abraham.
hey, you say hello to everybody. Say hi.
Hi.
You say God bless all everyone.
God bless everyone.
Good boy. Hey everyone. God bless everyone today and all days.
We're going home.
We're waiting where jeeps come in. See, so if you look along there, see all the bikes going by, and then the jeep needs to come by soon, and hopefully we'll be able to get on if there's room.
Yeah. So, waiting kami ng jeep. At natagalan po kami makasakay ng jeep mga idol dahil punuan ang mga jeep ngayon. Marami palang pasahero. At sobrang traffic. At ang mga taxi din ay may mga pasahero din. Kaya medyo natagalan kami sa aming pagsakay. Pero okay lang. Makakasakay din mamaya. Kaya yung anak ko, nilibang-libang na lang din ng isa kong anak. Kasi na babagot na. Wala pang jeep, sobrang traffic yata. Puno yung mga sasakyan. Lakad. Hirap maglakad, malayo yung atin. Malayo yun. Saan tayo mag-aano? Yung anak ko, nagyayaya na lang na maglakad na lang daw kami. Pauwi sa aming bahay. Isabi ko, paano naman tayo makapaglakad? Eh, sobrang layo ng ating bahay. At sa wakas mga idol, nakasakay na rin po kami ng jeep. Dito lang po kami sa jeep.
A little bit crowded, but it's okay.
At nakarating na nga po kami mga idol sa bahay. Ayan, relax muna po tayo dito sa sopa. Kararating lang namin, guys. At shout out po sa aking mga solid supporters, silent viewers, subscribers, followers. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. Naway okay lang po kayo at pagpalain po tayo ng ating Panginoon palagi. You have connection now, love? yan lang po mga idol, ang update po sa aming munting vlog. At once again po, maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. Naway okay lang po kayo palagi. And ingat po kayo palagi mga idol. God bless po.